So, hello everyone, welcome back to Sisita Learning. Today we have got something incredible to share with you, a game changer in the world of information processing. Yes, I'm talking about the Merlin Chrome extension as you can see it on the screen. So, before we dive into this, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. So, what is Merlin? It's a powerful Chrome extension designed to make your life easier by summarizing lengthy articles into concise, easy to digest content. So let's take a demo of this tool. Before that, is it free? Yes, somewhat. It gives you a pro version also, but you can have around 51 free queries every day. There is it's easy to install. Just go to this Chrome Web Store. Yeah. So once you go to this Chrome Web Store, just search for Merlin Summarizer, and yeah, Merlin, yeah, Merlin or Merlin Summarizer. You can search for it. Oh, I think. Yeah. Okay, now it's searching. So yeah, this one. I've already installed it. So once you install, you'll get it here. This is the extension. So once you have installed, just press Control M. You can directly get access to it. So it's very helpful for when there are complex articles or there are big articles and you want to summarize it. For example, let's take this example. Let's come to this. This is a research paper on Karsh-Khundekar conditions, that is KKD conditions. It's very helpful in any optimization problems. Now, when if you don't understand this, now as I've already pressed Control M, this is already appearing. Just click on summarize. Okay. So yeah, so it's saying it will take 30 seconds. It will take less than that. Okay. So yeah, so it has given the summary of whatever is there here. Just look at this. It's just awesome. Okay. It has given you a summary. And one more thing about this tool is that it's not restricted to English. There are many language options available. For example, there is I've opened this newspaper website where there is this Marathi article. Now suppose I want to get a summary of this. What I'll do is I'll copy this and then I'll go to this as I've press this Control M. Just click on this summarize and okay. Let's not do this because there are ads. It will also get you those instead. Okay, I'll show you this. So this is the extension, right? So click on this. You'll get a interface just similar to ChatGPT itself. So yeah. Okay. So right. So you have selected the text and show more. Okay. Okay. Let's close this side. Okay. Let's copy and give me the summary of above in English. You can get the summary in the same language also, but yeah, just so that everyone understands I've given this. So yeah, you got this. The Tulsa Oni temple. It's about the Tulsa Oni temple. So this is one of the awesome tool. It has many more capabilities. It's not just summarizing things. You can just go to this Merlin website, check its features. Go here. Yeah, you can explore. See this. It's not just limited to summarizing. There are so many things it can do. Uh, I just want you to introduce to AI tools so that you can explore them and understand, and you can use it for your use case. So that's all from this video, and yeah, there is. I'll go through one more feature of Merlin in the upcoming video. So if you're excited about this tool, give us a thumbs up and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insight. Now let's jump into the world of YouTube video summarization with Merlin. Catch you up in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.